Hey everybody, I'm back. Business coach Jay Morrison from the Jay Morrison Academy. And I want to give you my second biggest mistake that I've made in 12 years of entrepreneurship, 22 years of total hustleship. I've owned 24 businesses and I've made some successes, but I've also made some big mistakes. And my second biggest mistake is being slow to fire. Right? And this kind of piggybacks the homeboy business, first mistake we talked about. A lot of times we do business with friends or family, or become family-like, or we build friendships within our businesses with our staff or co-workers or vendors, and we have a hard time, and I know for me, speaking my personal mistake, is knowing that someone wasn't a good fit for my organization, for my company, for my vision, and where we were going. And because of that friendship that we built, because of that loyalty, because of that homeboy-like mentality, not firing or letting go the person who wasn't being the best value add to the company. And that's one of my biggest mistakes. It took me years. And sometimes it wasn't even because of friendship, it's just because I was just too damn nice. Sometimes, you feel bad, someone has children, they just moved, you don't want to fire them, you understand their financial hardships. But I had to realize that if I didn't correct the errors in my business, and if I didn't have the right talent around me in my business, and if I was too nice to make the adjustments in my business that I needed to make, then my business would suffer, therefore my revenue would suffer, therefore my family success, my family comfortability, my daughter's food on the table, my daughter's education, the people that I have the most prioritized responsibility for, they're gonna suffer if I can't make the tough and difficult decisions. And so once I got that through my thick head, that look, Jay, you got a big heart, you wanna employ people, you wanna keep people around, but these people aren't a fit for the company, and the company's actually losing revenue or not offering a great customer experience or whatever it is because of this person that's in the company, you gotta remove them, get better talent around you, which will help excel the business. Once I did that, I started to see my business explode and grow. And it's one of the difficult things you'll have to do as an entrepreneur and as a CEO. But that is my second business mistake, is being slow to the fire. They say that you hire slow and fire fast. You don't hire fast and fire slow, right? So you want to hire slow, and we'll talk about that, but we want to fire fast when someone's not a fit for your organization. And again, this is just more tips for you. You guys can let me know what your concerns are in business. What's the biggest mistakes that you've made? What advice or coaching can I give you on February 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern as I do a special edition of Ask Jay. That's right. Use the hashtag in the comments, Ask Jay and hashtag CEO Talk. And I'm going to be answering the top questions on our live stream February 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern, the kickoff Black History Month. Let's talk about what we can do to be better entrepreneurs and better CEOs. But first, tell me what you're struggling with and what your mistakes are in the comment below. Hashtag AskJ, hashtag CEO Talk. And I'll see you on number 3 of my top 5 mistakes. Peace.